Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to hide like and view counts on Instagram. The first thing is you can actually go to your post and you can go to three dots and then you can hide like count, right? But if you want to hide like and view counts for every and each of your posts, then what you will have to do is you'll have to go here to the three stripes in the top corner, then go to settings, then go to privacy, and from the privacy you will have to go to posts. Now here, as you can see, we can click hide like and view counts, and as you can see, it says you won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. Now you can hide like counts on your own posts when you create them by going to advanced settings and turning on hide like and view counts on this post, as you can see. So just keep that in mind. So as you can see, it says you won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. So keep that in mind, right? Now you can hide like counts on your own posts when you create them by going to advanced settings and turning on hide like and view counts on this post, as you can see. So the next time when you're creating a post, you just can go to advanced settings and then turn hide like and view counts on this post. So let me show you how you can do this. So let's say we go to plus, let's say we go to the post, let's say we've took the post like this. So okay, we go processing. Then what we can do is we can go to advanced settings here and we can click hide like and view counts on this post and turn off the commenting, right? If we want to do the turn off the commenting thing, but you can hide like and view counts on this post. Then you can go back and you can publish it and you will be able to hide like and view counts on Instagram. So this is how you can do it. Again, it's really simple. Just make sure you turn on these two these two options. The first option is to hide like and view counts for others, and the second option is to hide like and view counts for yourself. So keep that in mind next time you're posting. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.